Magandang buhay! Alam nyo ba na in JC, our GC Organic Barley Products, awarded as the best natural supplement for the year 2023-2024 by Asia Leaders Award, ay nakasulat sa ating Philippine Pharmaceutical Directory, which is also known as the Doctor's Mobile Reference and the Doctor's Bible and Owner's Manual, which provide us the comprehensive listings of all the pharmaceutical drugs given to our patients in the Philippines. So, it also provides the basic prescribing information para sa mga pasyente natin sa Pilipinas. Kaya naman, recommended to ng mga doctors all over the globe. And that's why we are able to help all people with different races kahit nasa ibang bansa tayo, no? So, I would like to thank our Swar Magdalena for repurchasing our GC Organic Barley Capsule na nakakatulong talaga para sa health niya. Kaya naman, kahit nasa ibang bansa ako, I am able to help people with different health conditions. So, bukod sa nakakatulong ka na sa iba, kumikita ka pa. So, if you want to try our products, just message me. Or isa kang OFW na gusto na magkaroon ng extra income, message me and I will help you. And welcome to the good life! Ciao!